Most people think credit cards are a symbol of wealth. Shiny metal cards, huge credit limits, reward points everywhere. But here's the strange truth. Many wealthy people actually try to avoid using credit cards as much as possible. So why would someone with millions in the bank avoid something that most people rely on every day? The answer has a lot to do with how rich people think about money. First, wealthy people hate paying interest. Credit cards often charge extremely high interest rates, sometimes over 20% per year. And rich people understand something very important about money. Interest should work for you, not against you. Instead of paying interest to banks, wealthy people focus on earning interest through investments. They would rather put their money into businesses, stocks, or assets that grow over time. To them, paying credit card interest simply feels like throwing money away. Another reason is psychological. Credit cards make it incredibly easy to spend money. Just swipe, tap, or click. But research shows that people tend to spend more when using credit cards compared to cash or debit cards. Wealthy individuals often build their wealth by staying extremely disciplined with their spending. They focus on controlling money, not letting money control them. That's why many of them prefer paying directly from their bank accounts instead of borrowing through credit. Rich people also think very differently about debt. To most people, credit cards feel like extra money. But to wealthy individuals, debt is still debt, even if it's convenient. Many successful investors follow a simple rule: only use debt if it helps you create more wealth. For example, buying real estate, starting a business, or investing in assets that grow. But buying everyday things with borrowed money, that doesn't build wealth. Now, this doesn't mean rich people never use credit cards. Some do, but they use them strategically. For example, reward points, travel benefits, or business expenses. And most importantly, they almost always pay the balance in full every single month, so they enjoy the benefits, without falling into the trap of interest and long-term debt. The world of money, economics, and human psychology is full of fascinating stories that shape our everyday lives. And this is just the beginning. If you enjoy simple explanations of complex topics like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. More videos breaking down finance, psychology, and the world around us are coming soon. So subscribe and stay tuned.